From the day we are born, whether we started our learning, whether we started our career, or even our business, we are being evaluated continuously. And evaluation comes in two parameters: one is a success, and another is a failure. When we get a success, we are overjoyed, we party, we have people around us to celebrate our success. But when we meet a failure, we will rarely find a soldier where we can just bow down our head and melt our pain in tears. Is it okay to fail sometimes? Why is there so much negativity with this word failure? And why are we afraid of failure? Let me share with you the story of this little boy. We all have given so many exams in our life, and so does this boy has given. This little boy is carrying his mark sheet with all the red colors filled in it, that is, with the stamp of failure. What pain he goes through when he is carrying that mark sheet. What pain he goes through when all his friends are promoted to the new class and he is left behind alone. Sometimes only his teachers, sometimes even his parents are not able to understand him. They fail to analyze what pain he goes through, how ignored he feels, what really happened to him, why he couldn't make it. Is there any difference between a 39 and a 40? Just because of one mark, one is the group of those students who are declared as passed. They celebrate their success, they party, they are praised. But those who couldn't make it, they are declared as failures. They are made to feel that they are defeated. They are left behind in pain. Why we can't understand that you will get a failure only if you have tried. Without a try, there can be no success or no failure. This feeling of failure is so painful that I have seen many students who even don't hesitate to go beyond their lives. Why? Because they have made a failure. They are made to feel that they are defeated. Just think about that little innocent boy who will develop a bitter memory of being defeated. The feeling of ignorance, the feeling of pain he has gone through only because he couldn't make it. He will be afraid of his failures. He will never try to accept that he has failed. Because if you meet a failure, it will be related with your loneliness, ignorance, the pain, the struggle. So from here comes the negativity that is attached with this word failure. Can't we replace this word failure as a try once more? Think about it. We are humans and it's totally okay to make mistakes. If you will ask me, I have learned more from my failures than my success. Whenever I have made a success, I have just sat behind. I have given time to myself. I have analyzed myself. I have worked on my weakness. I have found hidden capabilities inside me. Because when you get a success, you just move on to a new journey. But whenever you meet a failure, you have time to think once more. You have time for yourself. You will just turn back the pages again and try to find out what didn't work with you. Those who can stand up and start again after meeting the failure need are very courageous, because it's not possible for everyone. Everyone doesn't have that guts to start again, to recollect again and start building again. It made me realize who are the true well wishers of my life. When you are successful, you will have so many people around you to celebrate your success. But when you meet a failure, you will hardly find people who will really stand for you, who will really make you feel that no, it's possible for you to stand again and walk again. Speaking the truth, I am proud of my failures. And so, the next time when you will see anyone who is demotivated, who is regretting his failure, do motivate him or her by replacing this word failure with try once more. Thank you.